y'all. Gotta get me a green pepper for my meatloaf. I ran into a spider web. Must be a big one too. Shit. Alright, can't be scared. Get this one right here. Big enough. Out here real quick, I'll pollinate this yellow squash since they want to keep on taking long. So, I'm going to do that real quick. I'll just rip that off of the other one and make them do the nasty. That's a shame. But hopefully it'll give me a nice yellow squash because I had to buy one from the store. The zucchini is mine, but the squash ain't. Alright, should be good. Okay, now we're back in with my green pepper. So you see I didn't go to the store and buy it. Picked it. And there we go. So 2 of these come out my garden. This one I got from the store. You can tell. I'm waiting for my yellow ones to come in. Hopefully the one I just pollinated will grow. So let's finish our meatloaf. There we go. That meatloaf. And there it is. Once it starts to form, that bad boy ready to get shaped. Look at that, hardly no pressure needed. It just fell right out the bowl form, just like that. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up in plastic wrap, and it will be ready to bake around 2 o'clock before the kids get home.